In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a OneDrive account on your laptop in just 5 minutes. If you're ready to kickstart your journey with OneDrive, we've got a simple step-by-step guide just for you. Let's dive right into the process. To begin, open your preferred web browser on your laptop and navigate to onedrive.com. Once you're on the website, look around for the Create Account button. It's usually pretty prominent on the homepage, so it shouldn't be hard to find. Give it a click and we'll start setting up your new account. Next, you'll be prompted to enter an email address. You can use an existing email account or create a new one, whichever you prefer. Type in your email, making sure there are no typos, and click Next to continue. Now, it's time to set up a password. Make sure to choose a strong password that's a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters to help keep your account secure. Once you've entered your new password, click Next once again. The sign-up process will then ask for some personal information, starting with your name. Type in your first name and last name, double checking for any mistakes, then proceed by clicking Next. Following that, you'll be asked to provide your country and birth date. Go ahead and fill in these details accurately, then hit Next to move forward. Microsoft will now need to verify your email address. You should receive a verification code sent to the email you provided earlier. Check your inbox and enter the code in the designated field. Once that's done, click Next to proceed. Now you're almost there. Follow any remaining on-screen prompts to complete the account creation process. It might involve setting up account preferences or confirming additional information, so just keep following along. If prompted, you may also need to verify your phone number or email once more. This is an important step to help protect your account security, ensuring that you're the only one who can access it. And there you have it. By following these easy steps, you've successfully created your OneDrive account right from your laptop. Now, you're ready to start uploading files, sharing documents, and using OneDrive to its fullest potential. Thanks for following along, and I hope you find this tutorial helpful in getting your OneDrive experience started. Remember, if you need to revisit any particular step, feel free to rewind and play it back. Don't forget to subscribe for more quick and easy tech tutorials. Happy organizing in your new OneDrive account.